I'm here with the Philly Quad Squad again. I have a short amount of time before I have to go, so I could probably get 2 flights in. Chris is flying his DJI. He doesn't know where it is.
It's flying itself.
Watch this launch.
That was so smooth.
Probably make it go slower.
This plane actually has a reverse gear. Looking right, isn't it? There's a person right in front of you. Okay, it's okay now. Well, close enough. Coming in hot. 4, 5, 6.
Nice.
6 taps. Nice. I am gonna take a crack at flying the wing now. Pull the top part.
What time?
That was actually a fun experience.
Yeah, right?
I just crashed because I lost my signal. I'm gonna do the walk of shame, get my quad back. Tom's here, he's got his quad stuck in a tree. We got a drone stuck right there. Whoa! Didn't work? Good shot. And that's how you get a quad down. Old-fashioned way.
No quad left behind.
And that's it for me as well. It's time to go.